In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test sequences in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean A/B test inside a sequence so you can compare two email versions and keep the one that wins. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the main navigation. From there, click Sales. This takes you into the sales tools where your automated outreach lives. Next, click Sequences to open your library of existing sequences. Pick the sequence you want to optimize, then open it by clicking Edit. That brings you into the sequence editor where you can modify each step. Find the email step you want to test and click Add A/B Test. HubSpot will create a second version of that step so you can compare version A to version B. The goal is to test a single meaningful difference, like a subject line, opening sentence, call to stop, or call to action, so you can clearly see what drives better opens or replies. Now choose the content for your test. Click All Templates to open the template picker. You can select an existing template you've already written, which is helpful if you have a proven baseline. If you need something fresh, click Create Template and draft a new version from scratch. Keep the message aligned to the same audience and offer. Change only the element you want to test to keep your results trustworthy. Once your templates are in place for both versions, click Save Existing Sequence to lock in your changes so nothing gets lost. With the content saved, turn on the test by switching version B on. This activates the A/B setup so HubSpot can alternate between the two versions when the sequence runs. Finally, click Save Existing Sequence again to publish everything and make sure your updates are live. A few quick tips as you roll this out. Keep your variable focused. Test one element at a time. Give the test enough sends to reach a fair sample before drawing conclusions. And when you look at performance, compare the metric that matches your goal, subject lines for opens, messaging for replies or clicks, and overall step-to-step progression for meetings booked. That's it. Your A/B test is active inside your sequence. You've navigated to sales, opened sequences, edited your sequence, added the A/B test, selected or created templates, saved, turned on version B, and saved again to publish. Now you're ready to learn what performs better and continually refine your outreach.